Hey, we're gonna take a look at a smartwatch I got from Amazon. Ta-da! Okay, we can compare it to my other watches and stuff. So yeah, I got this for like $25 on sale or something, right before the tariffs. Yeah, if there is tariffs, however the tariffs work. Okay, let's see. Here's the box. Nothing on those sides. Weird sticker, looks like silver for something. Okay, let's see. Take this off. Wrap. Okay, let's see the back. X10 5.0 charger, 5 volts. Headset 2.5. Bag lithium ion, water resistance, current, made in China. Calories. Deep waterproof, manometer, answer the phone, heart rate, TWS. I heard this was not that good as a watch, so let's take a look at it. Let's compare it to my other watches I have. Back, nothing inside. Here's the watch. Yeah, there it is. Head strap, hand straps. White, I got the white one. Here's the watch itself. There's a thickness of it. I got this because I want to carry a watch and headphones. These are pretty small, but not too small. That's pretty cool. There's that, headphones. There's the other side. Looks like one side is the charging ports, and one side's the, these are pretty light, not too light. And then let's pull this out. Earphone cleaner, more of that. Change out that. Power socket USB to two pin. This one comes with metal wrist strap. I wanted that for that. Let's get the mint. Let's take a look at this. Okay, here is the instruction manual. Oh, wow, this is long. So let's see. See if I can zoom in correctly. Can you guys read that? Wow, that's small. There's that. Appearance. Notes. Heartbeat. Find the bracket. Warranty. And then other languages. So let's see how it is. Okay, let's take a look at the silicone straps first. So it looks like, flip it over. There's the charging port, made in China, smartwatch TWS headset. So let's see, hook this in. Yep, hook this side in first. Flip open. There's that one. Same thing on this side. Flip open, lock it in, and then there it is. Remove the front cap. And then put in, let's open it up. I think it is, open it up. Looks like there's magnets down there. Looks like right there. Then just, so it plugs on this side. Look, there's a hole right there. Let's take a look. Okay, like that, and voila. Okay, yeah, let's turn it On? Nope. So let's see if it. Okay, here's my wireless charger. Let's see if it charges. This is wireless charging. Nope. No wireless. No wireless charging. That's annoying. This one has wireless charging. So this is my old one. This one has wireless charging. Let's see if it works. Yeah, that one has wireless charging. So this one does not have wireless charging. That's annoying. So this is my old one. So it's almost the same thickness. Let's take a look. So here's my old one. It's about the same thing. But this one has wireless charging. I'd rather have headphones. So I probably could be able to change this out, the wrist strap, with this one, because it looks like exactly the same almost. Let's put it on. Okay, this one has the 2 locks. Then voila, see. So there's the thickness. So it's almost the same. Yeah, it's almost the same. Yeah, we're gonna have to charge it. Let's take a look at it. Oh, let's compare it to. I'll compare it to my metal one. Here's my other metal one. It's a lot smaller. This is Silicone. Oof. There it is. This is like one of the smallest ones. Watches. There's a thickness. Let's charge this. Let's see. Oh my god, this is sort of annoying. It's not. Just drop it and charge. So let's see how to charge this. USB charger. Carry that around, yay. Another thing to carry around. Open it up. And then it hooks on. Voila. There it is charging. So yeah, let's look at the metal strap. This is a lot thicker than this one. And I'll have a link in the descriptions below. Wow, that's not. Strap doesn't look like. Quality doesn't look like great. The fudge. Yeah, that's what you get for cheap stuff. How do you pull this out? That's what she said. Ah! Like and subscribe if you guys can. Thanks for watching. This is... I wish they'd do more of these things. Like more bigger companies do this. Like 8-in-1, but like good quality. Oh wow, that's pretty bad quality. You see that metal? See, look at that. This is not the original hand strap with this brand. I had to buy it on the side. Yeah, this is really cheap quality. Oh, I thought it was a other one. Oh, so it's this one, this style. Okay, let's change it out. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, it just came off. Yeah, with the blue watch I had, these aren't really a problem when it comes off. So it looks like there's a wireless charger on that. This one looks like it doesn't. Sort of pain. Let's stick this on. Let's see how this works. Is it? this way. Or is it the other way? Yeah, I'm not liking this one right now. Is it backward? Nope. It only goes one way. And it fell off again. Oh my gosh, I'll just do it later. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh. The fudge. This is like a weird hooking style. There. So it turns on. Nope. There's only one button on this. So let's see. Open it like this. Oh, I'm gonna have to change out pull some of these out. So yeah, there it is. There's the magnet one. Metal one. Ooh, that's questionable. The feel of it is not even good. Like it's like hard metal. This one's like a lot smoother. So yeah, there it is. I'm gonna do a review, look at it, use it all up, and see how it works. Oh whoa, glows blue somewhere. Not sure. Yeah. Oh, the headphones glow blue. So yeah, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys.